Megan, what is that? Megan, get out of the car. Get out of the car. That's a rooster. Look at him looking at you too. Oh, Jesus, if I get pecked by this rooster, Megan, and those chickens, Megan, get out of the car. Oh my God, listen to this thing. I'm in a bird sanctuary here and I'm freaking out. Will that rooster come after us?
Here comes the duck.
Megan, oh Jesus, get out of the car. Megan, get out of the car. Don't leave me out here alone. They're coming everywhere, man. Megan, look at, we got ducks. Oh my God, look at that rooster. Should we be concerned about the big rooster guy? I mean, he is a beast. Get out of the thing. Let's go. Okay. Look at this guy on the back here. What's he doing? The guinea hen. Oh, Jesus, Lord. Oh.
All right, you ready?
Uh-huh. You want us to walk, huh? Okay. Oh, Jesus. Megan, help me. Megan, where are you going? Megan, help me. Megan. Megan.
Oh my God.
Megan, help me. Help me. Let's just, look at, here's our path. Look. Wait for me. Megan. Megan. Wait for me. Don't leave me. Oh, Jesus, don't leave me. Megan, don't leave me. Jesus, don't leave me. Megan, oh my God, there's the rooster. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God, Megan, they're coming after me. Megan, oh God. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus.